If you're the type of person who considers a creamy, frothy cup of coffee or hot chocolate an essential part of your morning ritual, then you know the importance of having a reliable milk frother. But even the best kitchen gadgets can see wear and tear over time, especially the parts that do the heavy lifting, like the whisk of a milk frother. That's where the Secura 2 replacement whisks for the Secura automatic milk frother and hot chocolate maker machine, specifically models F280R and F280GL, come into play. These replacement whisks are a game changer for anyone who has been struggling with a worn-out or inefficient whisk. Designed exclusively for the F280R and F280GL models, these whisks ensure that your milk frother can get back to its optimal performance, giving you that perfect froth every time. It's important to note that these replacements are not a one-size-fits-all solution. They're specifically crafted for these models, and compatibility is determined by the SN codes located at the bottom of your milk frother. If your device's SN code matches 55BC or 9NM3, you're in luck. These whisks are made for your device. Made from durable black plastic, these 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches whisks are not only designed to withstand daily use but also to blend seamlessly with the aesthetic of your kitchen appliances. The precision in design extends to performance, ensuring that your milk is frothed to perfection whether you're making a latte, cappuccino, or hot chocolate. The pack includes 2 whisks, which is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to have a backup or simply extend the time between purchases. Using these replacement whisks is straightforward. Since they're specifically designed for the F280R and F280GL models, installation is a breeze. You simply need to remove the old whisk and replace it with the new one, ensuring that your milk frother is as good as new. This not only saves you the cost of buying a brand new milk frother but also extends the life of your current appliance, making it an eco-friendly choice. In conclusion, if you own a Secura automatic milk frother and hot chocolate maker machine, particularly the F280R or F280GL models, and you find that your frothing isn't what it used to be, investing in these replacement whisks might just be the best decision you make for your morning routine. They're easy to install, designed to last, and ensure that your coffee or hot chocolate is topped with the perfect froth every single time. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.